वाईफाई क्यों चाहिए अभी? वाईफाई इंटरनेट की जरूरत नहीं है। वाईफाई ऐसे यहाँ पे आता नहीं है, मैं केबल यूज करता हूँ। या वाईफाई इज इन द फर्स्ट होम, मेरे लिए केबल लगा हुआ है, केबल से कनेक्ट करते हैं। इसको नहीं है, इंस्टॉल नहीं किया कल। बटन की रिप्लेस कर, फिर वहां पे जाओ, आपको रिसेप्शन के पास बैठ के वाईफाई के पास पूछ कर इंस्टॉल करके आइए। That is called preparation, no? 24 hours is gone. And one software we have not installed. Okay, now, okay, HTML folder is created. This is different. Now close on that VS Code, you close first or minimize that. Go to your system. In system, you know how to operate the system. Create a folder. Give the folder name HTML. Create a folder called HTML. You have started the system. It's running. Yes. Okay. Okay. So in anywhere in the system, D drive, F drive, desktop, anywhere, you create a folder called this one. Call it a HTML. After creating HTML folder, you will open the VS Code. After creating the folder, open the VS Code and then go to the file. Go to the file. In file, there will be option called open folder. In file, you have option called open folder. In file, we have option called open folder. Click on that. And just now you have created the HTML folder. Correct? You created no HTML folder. Somewhere in D drive, F drive, somewhere you have created. Go and search that folder. Navigate from here, search the folder. And once you find the folder, click on that. Don't do double click, just select the folder and there is a button called select. Click on folder and the click on button called select. Click on folder, after that click on button called select. Okay, select the folder. So that folder will get loaded here. That folder will get loaded here. That folder will get loaded here. Next, after this, you can see the first button. It is used to create the file. Second button is used to create the folder. And the third button is to refresh, to reload. And the third one is for collapse and expand. For open and close. Collapse and expand, hide and show. Okay, leave third, you will come to it automatically. Now first and second we required. Even second also not, we required only first. Okay, right? Now, you are following Notepad++. Which one? Okay, in Notepad++ you can create the file. Next, after that, you will click on this. It will ask the file name. Okay, so give the file name something page1.html. File extension will be always as a .html. So type page1.html and enter. Page1.html and enter. Right, page1.html and enter. Now you are under the page 1. Inside this page 1 file, we have to write certain line of HTML and then we need to run it. Right, so hope file is created for everyone and you are following me. Next, after this, inside this HTML file, you will write like this: HTML open and HTML close. Just to follow in this way, automatically close will happen. HTML and greater than, automatically close will happen. लिखिए, type it. Next, after that, under this HTML, you will go inside, and inside HTML, we have to write 2 tags. One is called head, open close, and another one is called body, open close. Head open close as well as body open close. Head open close as well as body open close. Now after this, head we have for different purpose. We will come to know. Come to the body, right inside H1 tag open close. Welcome to HTML. Welcome to HTML. Welcome to HTML. Okay. Now save the file. We need to run it. And one more thing you can do. What is that? You can go to the file menu. Inside the file menu, little down, there is option called auto save. Click on that. In file menu, little down, there is option called auto save. Click on that. That is for what purpose? That is for auto save purpose. If it is checked means okay. Auto save. Whenever you write the code, what will happen? Save will happen automatically. You will not run the page without saving. So that error will get fixed. Now after writing this and after enabling this, in file menu we click on auto save, so that enable auto save will happen. Next, page 1.html file we have to run. So how to run it? We need to go to the run. We need to go to the run and click on second option, run without debugging. Okay, HTML plain code, basic structure, why to debug. Run without debugging. Automatically, okay, now is asking select the browser. So you can select the browser. After that, automatically it will open in any browser. I will repeat you again what we did. After saving the code, after writing this, we gone to the run. Under the run, there is an option called run without debugging. Click on that. Automatically your page will open in some browser, whichever the browser you have selected, either Chrome or Mozilla. And it will print like this, welcome to HTML. Now you need to let me know for how many people it's working and for how many people have tried or not tried. Working or not working, you can let me know. Yes, sir. Open the now, yes. Create a folder. Select folder now. HTML. Running. Okay, yours is also running. You run directly in the system, not at the installation. Okay. Other is this will fit together. Okay, working, very good. Folder created? Yes, sir. Okay, folder created or file created? Folder कहाँ बनाया? कहाँ पे folder? ये बना. कहाँ पे वो? E drive. Go here, open folder. Where is that? E drive. This is in E drive, HTML. This is the folder. Okay. We will create the file here, right here, page1.html, page1.html. Enter. Okay, and this we need to follow and we need to write. Okay, so hope we are able to create the file and we are able to run the file. Next, in this file, now many things are there that required to know. Correct? Why we start only from the HTML? What is the use of the head? What is the use of the body? Correct? What is the mean of H1? Okay. So those all we have to make a note. First, if we are talking about why we started from HTML only, why not something else? Then it is the simple answer for that. When your compiler will start executing this file, once your compiler will come inside this page, then you are informing in the first line, saying like compiler, this page belong to where? HTML. Okay. You are informing to the compiler saying like, in this file, there is a content belong to HTML. So you be ready to execute the HTML code. So compiler will not take long time to understand and quickly within the less time, the page execution will happen. Okay, that is the meaning of which line? First line. First line, we are informing to the browser saying like this document belong to where? HTML. Don't take long time to execute as soon as possible. People ask in interview, why we start only from HTML? Then we can say this first line, we are informing to the browser saying like, don't take long time to execute this HTML file, quickly execute it, right? That is the answer of that line. Okay. Some more thing we have that is called doc type declaration. Doc type declaration that will come before HTML. Okay. There that we will be writing once we are moving forward. That is that we should write with the HTML5 related code. Okay. So now you are creating the basic page. So in that case, the doc type declaration, if you're not writing also. Okay. HTML you can start. till entire HTML, we will write only, even till CSS also, we'll write only those lines that is required. Okay. Unusual line will not write, that is required for the server level. Only those line we required, using that we are going to get some idea. Number of line will get increased, the understanding complexity will get increased. Correct? Less line, more output, you will come to know this line I have written for this purpose. Okay. Now next, HTML, where is start and where is end. So from start of the HTML to end of the HTML, it is called a document. What is called? Document. Document will be divided into two parts, head and body. Under the head you have to do something, and under the body you have to do something. Okay. So now your page is running. Come to your developer guide, or wherever you are writing the notes, you can write in that. Okay. Okay. You can write in that HTML start to HTML end. HTML start to HTML end is called which one? It's called as a document. Where we start the HTML, where we end the HTML, it's called as a document. Now come inside. The document will split into two parts. Document will split into two parts. One is called head and another one is called as a body. Head and body. Under head, what you will write? Under the head, there will be two sections. One will be called as a marketing section. Marketing section. Right? Called as a marketing section. Where what will come? Digital marketing will come. Digital marketing related settings configuration will come. Under which part? Marketing section. Okay. Next, after that, we will have called library section. Library section. Under the library section, you will be linking with the CSS library. You will be linking with the JavaScript library. You will be linking with the, maybe you can say CSS, Bootstrap. Bootstrap also you can write. Okay, or you can write here called external library. External library, whichever will be there, all will get added under the which section? Head section. So head section will not display to users. Head section is the configuration part where you are going to do the library call, you are going to do the marketing stuff, you are going to promote your page, you are going to link with the Google server, you are going to link with the multiple places. That happen in which section? Marketing section. As well as library is for the all the libraries, CSS, JavaScript, all CSS library will come under the head. Some other library also will come under the head only. Correct. And then what is the use of the body? The body tag is called a container, main container. Every information, whatever the information you want to display to the user, everything should go to this one, called a body. Everything should go to the body. Okay. So we can write inside contents with suitable tags. Content with the suitable tags. TAGs. Content with suitable tag. Okay. Suitable word, what is represent here? Suitable word represents what type of content you have, that type of container you have to use. Like if you have text data, so you have to use the text container. If you have image data, you have to use the image container. If you have kind of audio video, you have to use the audio video player, right? That is called as about content with the HTML suitable tags. Okay. Because content with HTML is suitable is right now. Suitable tags. The spelling is correct. Right? Yes, you. Oh, I have written B. Again, I wrote for B only. All suitable tags. Content with suitable tags. Okay. Now write below the next line called what is the valid extension of HTML document? What are valid extension for HTML document? What are valid extension for HTML document? So one we have that is called .html, and one more we have that is called .html. We can write in note, what we can say, .html is suitable for better digital marketing. .html is suitable for better digital marketing. .html is suitable for better digital marketing. Now come next. So this all are the, this 2-3 line is the some common line that we should know. Next, after that, in this file, so we are writing next in this file or written, this written, completed, this one written. Okay, come to this file. H1 you have written, it is printing. Write call H2. Write some city name, Bangalore. H2. Write H3, Bangalore. Write H4, H4, Bangalore again. H5, Bangalore again. Last is H6. H6. Okay, H6. So you write H1 to H6, run the page and see what difference is coming. You will find the font sizes are different. The font sizes are different. Okay, hope written H1 to H6. Now again go to the run and again click on run without debugging and go to the browser. You can see the output of H1 to H6 will appear. Welcome to HTML is the H1 and Bangalore we have written for 5 times. That become H2 to H1 to H6. H1 to H6. Right? So we can say H1 is the biggest font size and H6 is the smallest font size. Okay. What is the use of this H1 to H6? You have used already on internet many days, daily you are using. Like whenever you open the website, you will see multiple pages will be there, and under every page, on the top one headline will be written. This page is for what purpose? Correct? Service page, product page, project page, customer page, right? So that is important. It is not like optional people has put simply. It has some meaning. If you will not provide the heading in your page, headline of the page, Google will say, sorry, this page is made for what purpose? Okay. Google will be confused. Google will not confuse, customer will be confused. Google will think like as a customer, and Google search engine will say your page is not well optimized. Heading is not there. When the user will open the page, they have to read multiple lines, then they'll come to know this page is for what purpose. So provide one headline on the top. So to provide the headline in the every pages, we have this all option. How many? 6. H1 to H6. Some term condition we have, right? So when you are going to create the web page, definitely whoever are spending the money to develop this project, right? They will have a target to capture online customer. They will have a target to do their business online. They will have a target to promote their everything as a online. They will have a target to come online. Correct? You will work in some companies, right? The company will have a project. So project will come from where? Project will come from the business. Correct? And business people wanted the business should go online. This should get the online customer. And customer will come in Google. Customer will search in Google. Because customer don't know which company is giving what. Customer will search in Google. Google have the term condition now. Saying like everyone is dealing with the same business. Everyone asked me to show me first. Correct? To whom I should show? Who will say? Google will say. Then for that, Google had term condition. Google had rule regulation. Saying like, whosoever the website will follow this rule regulation, they will be popular and they will come on the top. Customer will call him. Customer will search him. Correct? They will see in the Google itself directly. So for that, digital marketing have the rule regulation. In that one rule says like, in every page, whichever the page you are creating, in every page, try to put H1 one time. Try to put which one? H1 one time. H1 gives a big headline. Correct? You can see here in the browser, H1 is giving how bigger? Biggest font size. Correct? Now H1 says like it is going to give big font size when any user will come to your page, and once they will open the eye and look into the page, after reading the headline, they'll come to know this page is for what purpose. If you go to the About Us page, will be written in the beginning About Us particular company. When you go to the Contact Us page, it will be written Contact Us about something. So after looking into the headline, we can guess, oh, this page is for this purpose. That is called user experience. That is called user experience. User should not struggle half an hour to find out this page is for what purpose. Right? So in every page, whichever the page you open, you will find a big headline on the top. And it will not be like similar heading multiple times. Big main heading will be the big one, and remaining heading will be little smaller. So we can write in developer guide H1 to H6 used to create the heading of the web page. H1 to H6 used to create H1 to H6 used to create headline in web page. Headline in web page. Where H1 is required minimum and maximum one time in each page. H1 is required minimum and maximum one time in each page for better digital marketing. For better digital marketing and user experience. Marketing and better user experience. Okay. Remaining H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, you can use many times. There is no such kind of rule regulation. But H1 is required. If you are not using, somewhere your page will not follow the 100% rule regulation of digital marketing. H1 to H6 used to create the headline of in web page, where H1 is required minimum and maximum one time in each page for better digital marketing and better user experience. Okay, go next now. We'll create the next file. This file we can leave just for the trial purpose. One file is enough. Create the next file. Next page, page 2 dot. Page 2 dot HTML. Page 2 dot HTML. Start from again same HTML. Head will not use as of now. We'll use only body. We required only body as of now. Once we required head, we can follow. Now write the body, open and body close. H1 type of list. Type of list in HTML. Type of list in HTML. Written type of list in HTML. Okay. Next, after that, right below in one p tag is called OL. OL. It's called order list. Order list. P tag. P tag used to display the text data. P tag. Using the P tag, whenever you want to display some text line, you can display that. Okay. It's like the paragraph. In hard copy, how we read the paragraph? Exact same way. Order list. Second P tag you write called UL. unordered list. Unordered list. The third p tag you can use DL. Definition list. Okay, order list, unordered list, as well as definition list. Okay, rotate. So how many type of list? 3. Order, unorder, and DL. We can run and check once how it appear in the browser. Run, then go to the run without debug, select the Chrome, it will appear here. Order, unorder lab, as well as DL, definition list. Now in order list, we have so many types of order list. Okay, so many in the sense 5. Unordered list we have 4. Definition list we have only 1 type. Okay, so now you will make a note in developer guide. What are the types we have? Then we'll implement here. Okay, so come to developer guide. If you're writing in notebook, write there. If you're writing in the system, you can write in the notebook. Okay. Now come to the developer guide and write there how many type of list we have. 3. List in HTML. 3. OL, UL, as well as DL. OL, UL, and DL. You will write under the order list how many types we have. Okay. So write under the order list how many type of order list we have. We have one type equal to 1. 1. What is the one? On internet, sometime you will see if there is a multiple list is displaying, in that one kind of serial number will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? So order of the number, order of content can be anything. ABCD 1, 2, 3, Roman 1, 2, 3, or you can say capital ABCD. So when we write type equal to 1, it will give the number as a 1, 2, 3. Okay, so order list will come as a 1, 2, 3. If you write type equal to A small, the order list will come as a ABCD, alphabets. Okay, and if you write capital A, then capital ABCD will come. Roman number, if you remember, Roman 1, 2, 3, Roman. So if you write type equal to capital I, capital Roman 1, 2, 3 will come. If you write a small I, a small Roman 1, 2, 3 will come. Okay, total we have 5 types. So first we wrote type equal to which one? 1. Next we have type equal to capital A, type equal to small a, type equal to capital A, small I, then type equal to capital I. Right, so total Five types. Five types. P tag is called paragraph tag. Okay. P is called as a paragraph. There is no full form called paragraph. P is P itself. You can use like as a paragraph. Okay. You can use like as a paragraph. Now come down below. Under the unordered list, how many types we have? Under the unordered list, we have type equal to disk. Next type equal to square. Next type equal to circle. Next type equal to none. Okay. When you write as a disk, dot 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 option will come. When you write a square symbol will come. Circle symbol will come. None means nothing, only text will come. Now, how that look, we have to write examples. So first write for OLUL, 5 types here and 4 type here. And create a file called orderlist.html. Create a file orderlist.html. So hope you have written this. Oh, already page 2 we have created, no? In the page 2 we can implement something. Okay, hold on. Come down below. In the same file you can write. Which file? Page 2. Write the heading called H2 and put inside called order list example. Order list example. Order list example. Order list example. Right here call OL open and OL close. Order list open and order list close. Okay, order list open, order list is closed. Inside order list, you will mention the type as a property and initial value as a 1. Type as a property and initial value as a 1. So that it will generate the order list as a 1, 2, 3. 1. Next, after that, you will write call LI. List item. Okay, LI call list item. Put inside. Suppose I added mango, apple, orange, grapes. Save till here. and we'll see once. We'll run the file. Hmm. Running. Run the page and see once. It will give you something like this as a order as a 1, 2, 3. Serial number as a 1, 2, 3. That is why, because we are given here type equal to 1. Correct? So it will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come in the second order list. Before that, you write one HR tag. It will create a line from beginning to last. Color equal to red color. Size equal to 10. So it will create a line, or it's called horizontal rule. From beginning to the of the screen to last of the screen, it will create a line, and the line color will be red color, and thickness of the line will be 10 px. Thickness of the line will be 10 px, and it will be which color? Red color. Something like this. Red color, and then come next. Okay. After this, you will write the next UL tag, OL tag. Type equal to capital A. OL type equal to capital A. Put the LI, add some city name, Bangalore, add one more LI, Mumbai, Pune, add one more LI, sequence. It will give you the order as a 1, 2, 3. Save now. Should look like this. Ajay? Hope it is working for everyone. You write it. Once it work, let me know also. working. Okay. So it's look like this. So this is called order. Which one? 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. So not only this much, after learning the CSS, while learning the CSS, we have some more type of order. We can customize also. Okay. And even in Bootstrap, we have a lot of type of icons. That all icon we can implement in front of the text. Okay. Now write again HR color equal to orange color. Size equal to, let's keep for 10 or 12. Okay, clear. Right, next one. OL again. Type equal to a small a. A small a. Type equal to a small a. In that small a, under this li now, enter the li now, you can print something called home. Next li about us. Next li contact us. Next li login, and next li register. Okay, hope done. Save now. This will give you ABCD, but a small, something like this. ABCD only, but a small. Next, we have another HR. Same color. Size equal to, let's give 10, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So right here call, next OL, and close the OL. Type equal to, OL type equal to capital I. It will give you uppercase only, low Roman 1, 2, 3, but uppercase. Okay, capital 1, 2, 3 will come in Roman. So we can write here call. Again, the city name we have written on the top. Same city name we can add there also. Okay, same city name we can add here. Okay. So it will give you capital Roman letters. Capital Roman letters. Capital Roman letters. We have one more call, a small Roman. So we can write one HR. Color equal to red. Size equal to 15. Color red. Size is a 15. Okay, let's go next now. Right below next OL type equal to OL type equal to small I, and in this write some other things. Example LI dashboard, next LI view profile, next LI profile, next LI something, my contact, next LI my project. Okay, then you check, it will give you Roman lowercase Hope the output look like this. Something like this.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Go next. Next, after that, what we have? Next file we have. That is called this one, unordered list. So we'll create a file here, ul.html, ul.html. In ul.html, you can write the next. Unordered list related 4 type we have. Anyone is writing? Go then. In ul file again, HTML you start and HTML you close. Follow the body and close the body. H1 you write and order list. Unordered list. Next, you will tag open close. Type equal to disk. Type equal to disk. Okay, li right call home. Next li about us. Next li vectors. Next li login, and next li register. Add this all, ul and li. Check now. Disk will come. Dot 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 will come by default. Yes. Dot 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 is coming. We can run this file. Should be like this. By default is a dots. Same UL we can copy and paste again. And what else we have? Square. Disk and then square. Check it. Disk, square. One more will be circle and one more will be none. Same UL to UL, copy paste and change the type disk, square, circle, none. Disk, square, circle and none. Yes. Disk, square, circle and none. Same UL should get copy paste 4 times. And you should change the type disk, square, circle and none. And then you can run, the type will come different. Type will come as a different. If I run this file, this is the disk, this is called square. Circle will be little different. You can let me know if your page is running all 4. Disk, square, circle and none. This is called UL. Okay. Next, after this, we'll work on nested UL. UL inside UL. Okay, that is called as a nested UL. Then we'll come for the DL, definition list. But those all we'll see on the next class on Monday. Next class will be on Monday only. Monday to Friday, we are sitting in the first month and second month. In the third month, we have all the days. Monday to Monday. It will be much interesting if you are regular. If you are not regular, then in between joining, not joining will look like it's a surprise, something is going on. I have told yesterday also, in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 10 days, 15 days. Correct, no? You cannot become software engineer. Okay? Time is required. Sufficient time, sufficient patience, sufficient your energy, contribution, everything is required. Positive way to learn. Okay? Then only something will happen. Plan properly and then continuing the classes. Regularity is one of non-regular. Okay, non-regular is one of the bad habit of the people. If you have suppose a shop, if you don't open the regular, you will not get much customers. Okay, if you have a hotel not open daily, you will not get a lot of customers. People will find, oh, near to the office there is a hotel, but it's closed. I don't know whether today it will be open or not. They'll carry the food from there only. If it's open daily, then what will happen? People will feel like it's always open, never closed. Knowledge come from the individual character. Knowledge will not come in the bulk directly. Correct, no? We need to collect the character by character by character, then only knowledge will happen. Money will come from single paisa. Keep collecting, then what will happen? Money will happen. Okay. Okay. See you on Monday.